Good afternoon, guys. This is Prax Flight Expedition landing with this plane in flight faults. This is A340 plane. It has 4 engines and flaps are already full. Let's land. And this plane will land in this 5 faults. I don't want to add 0 faults, 1 fault, 2 faults, 4 faults. I want to land in 5 faults. Let's land. And then let's land. What? Let's see what is fault now. At ASM. Oh, radar has broken. Okay. Oh no, there is no pressure. Let's unpack. Ooh, speed is very maximum. Come on. Let's see what is happening. So much pressure there are. Let's recall the flaps. Come on, this plane landing. Put it C-force. And it's roll. ASM. ASY. And left tank. Engine 2. Engine 1. Radar. Tire. Let's see. All gears are unlocked.
1,000. 500. 400. Approaching minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 50. 30.
No. Oh no. Ray, where are you going? This plane tire, because tires are failure, the tires are deflating, and this plane is landing. Never mind. It's like some. Yes, landed successfully in 5 faults. And this plane is too much faults. Engine 2 is dark cut and unusual usage like this. Then you see in this mission, no? You can play and you have play to mission. This mission name is unusual usage. Let's first play. Yes. Tires was deflating. See how are they deflating. Let's next. Let's do this. At this airport. Oh no, man. That is airport. Oh, reverse thrust has broken. All are G2, yeah. Oh no, maximum speed. 1 minute. Okay, now land slide. flight. Let's see, the gear has broken or no. Let's see. Yes, all gears are unlocked.
1,000. 500.
Oh no, time is walking.
300 minimums.
Come on, hurry up.
200.
Let's use that.
100.
I have to urgently use rudder. And
50. 30. 10.
oh no. Oh no, reverse. No. This was flat right, and I have the idea to turn off the engines, and now this landing. Yes, come on. Yes. Yay, landing successfully. Now let's bye bye, guys. This was my last time to landing. Now I declare to I will show other airplanes. This is Concorde, this is business jet, and Sonic Bank, Fly Low, Fast Landing, wait a minute. Now I declare that I am say to bye bye and see you next time.